Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Sunday. Yes, we have here in the weekend edition an additional, the weekend edition of Sunday, April the 20th, 21st, 2024. In this additional, we have seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of seven extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve, not all. Too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, and in the evening we have also a samurai Sudoku. The samurai Sudoku will take me more than an hour to solve, so that's a lot. Alright, the first one, 3 star Sudoku 84001. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. I've not counted yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 29 printed digits. Well, probably so. That's a lot. That's a lot. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 4 more. Usually the 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes, so I don't think it's a 3 stars. I think it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle I need 13 minutes. So let's get started. Let me see. Um, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and 8. We have 9 and 8 in this row, so no 9 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, then. Let me see. Then. 6, 2, 2. Yeah. 3, 3. Come on, 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, first column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then, let me see. The 1 here. Okay. Come on. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 7. Then 3, 3. How about 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, and need a 5 also. Well, a little bit difficult. Come on. 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Need 2 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Only 3 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 in the second row, no 2 there. The only place left, the 2 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. And now 3. Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. 3, 3. Cannot continue with 3 now. Need to wait. How about the 8 and the 7? 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then let me see. 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. With a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, only place left the 7 should be there. Then, well, 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Only place left the 8 should be there. 8, 8. Need 8 here, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Or there we have an 8 in this last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left, 8 should be there. 1 box left in this second column for the number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left, the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. How about the number? Let me see. 7. The 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, the digit number 4, number 3. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 4, it should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there. 4 is should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 1 box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Alright. Then 1 and the 7. Okay. 7 and the 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. He's missing the 6 and the 7. He's missing 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, same numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Definitely yes, 0 stars. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. 0 stars. Publisher, I'm disappointed in the 3 stars puzzle. Well, we will see with the 4 stars Sudoku, the next puzzle. So, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4 stars puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.